Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today we are going to do a brush stroke tumbler using foils and glitter and paint. So let's go ahead and get started. I am starting out with a 20-ounce sublimation tumbler. I wanted it completely white and I couldn't spray paint this day. So this is what we're starting with. And I mixed up the blue and the green paint to make a teal color. And I'm just going to brush this on in brush strokes. Man, that's a hard word to say. All over the tumbler, but sporadically, if that makes sense, because we're going to be using 3 different colors. We're also going to be using a pink and a purple, but I'm starting with the teal and getting somewhat decent coverage with this. It doesn't need to be perfect. It's supposed to look kind of just thrown on there. So now I'm going to go in with the purple and brush that all over, and then we'll move on to the pink. So I'll just let you watch that all the way through. So I'm just continuing to go through to make sure that I have the coverage that I want, but I still want it kind of white in the middle. So I'm going to let this dry and then we'll move on. So I wanted to try this foiling glue from Aleene's, as opposed to the Tack It, to see if there's really any difference. And I got this pack of, technically I think it's nail foils, but I got it from Amazon as well. Everything will be listed in the description box below. But it's got a really nice variety in here. And I knew that I'd be able to use at least 3 of these colors on this tumbler. So I did pull out that teal, and I'm going to pull out a pink. And then the closest purple that I had was, I think I want to say almost like a magenta color. Or maybe wine. Wine is probably a better word for it, but I used that too, and it complements it very well. So now I'm also going to pull out some glitters, and I'm going to use CC. I'm going to use Ansley Paisley, I think is what it's called. Yes, for the purple. And then for the pink, I'm going to use BFF. So I'm just taking a really small brush and getting some foil glue onto it, and then doing smaller brush strokes. I'm starting with the teal and then adding that onto just a part of, I'm not covering it completely because I still want some of the paint to show through. Once that tacks down, I am taking the teal foil and I'm going to start placing that over where the adhesive is and rubbing that on and pulling it off. And it leaves the foil behind. And I do the same thing for all of the colors. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to move on to the glitter. And I'm just using this really tiny squeeze bottle with like a needle tip to squeeze out on the glitter, the Mod Podge, to add the glitter. Man, having difficulty today. So I'm going to do that for all of the colors also. And each of the glitters, the paint, the foil all complement each other very well. Once that's dry, I'm taking a chip brush and just wiping away any excess glitter and gave it 2 coats of epoxy. So now I'm going to add this decal that I made. It just says real, not perfect, kind of like brush strokes. They're not perfect, but they are real. So I cut these both out of holographic vinyl. The top one is like a purple pink shift, and then the bottom is like a teal green blue shift, but I thought they complemented it very well. And so I just created an offset for it, and I'm going to place the pink shift one on top of the teal shift, and I think it just ended up being beautiful. So I did struggle getting this lined up to where I wanted it, which is just right in the middle, going all the way around the tumbler. And so when I finally did get it to line up exactly where I wanted it to, I'm going to remove the backing, excuse my grandson, and peel the backing away and smooth this down onto the tumbler. And as always, I am going to seal this with the CC DIY Quick Coat so that my vinyl does not lift. Give it 2 final coats of epoxy, and she's done. And I absolutely love it. I think this is just beautiful. The colors really go well together, and yeah, but this will be available on the website if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.